Imagine a telescope so powerful, it can see the very first galaxies forming in the universe. That's the James Webb Space Telescope for you. Launched in 2021, this marvel of astrophysics stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge about the cosmos. The JWST isn't your run-of-the-mill telescope. It's stationed at a Lagrange point, an area in space where the gravitational forces of two large bodies, in this case Earth and the Sun, balance the centrifugal force felt by a smaller object. This point is a staggering 1 million miles away from Earth. Just try to wrap your head around that distance. The telescope's primary mirror is a technological marvel in itself. Spanning 6.5 meters in diameter, it dwarfs the Hubble's 2.4-meter mirror. This colossal size allows the JWST to collect more light and observe fainter and more distant objects than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope's mission objectives are vast and ambitious. They range from studying the formation of the very first galaxies to probing the atmospheres of exoplanets in the search for signs of life. Now, here's where things get really exciting. The JWST isn't just looking at the universe in the same light that we do. Instead, it's designed to observe the universe in infrared light. Why is this so special, you ask? Well, infrared light allows the telescope to peer through cosmic dust clouds that would otherwise obscure our view. This means the JWST can witness stars and galaxies in the process of formation, providing us with unprecedented insight into these celestial events. With its advanced features, JWST is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, and it might have already started doing so. In its quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope, fondly known as JWST, has stumbled upon an unusual celestial body. This extraordinary discovery took place in a galaxy far, far away, a staggering 13 billion light-years to be precise. It's a distance so vast, it's almost beyond our human comprehension. We're essentially peeking into the infancy of the universe, a time when the cosmos was a mere 500 million years old. The celestial oddity that has caught JWST's attention is not a star, a planet, or a galaxy that we're familiar with. The body emits a peculiar type of light, different from anything we've seen before. It's not the warm, yellow glow of a star like our sun, nor the eerie, ultraviolet light of a quasar. Instead, this light is something entirely new. A spectral analysis reveals that it's a unique mix, a cocktail of sorts, of various wavelengths that we've never seen, combined in this manner. Adding to the intrigue, the light spectrum of this unusual body shows an unusually high concentration of certain elements. Elements that, until now, have been considered rare in the universe. Elements that could potentially be the building blocks of something entirely different from what we know. Elements like technetium, promethium, and neodymium, among others. These aren't your everyday run-of-the-mill cosmic elements. They're relatively scarce, and their presence in such high concentrations is, in a word, baffling. Scientists around the world are abuzz with discussions, theories, and debates. This celestial body, with its strange light and unusual elements, is challenging our understanding of the universe. It's posing questions that we don't yet have the answers to. It's intriguing, it's exciting, and it's a little bit terrifying. This unusual celestial body is unlike anything we've ever seen, but could it be evidence of alien life? Now let's delve into the data and try to decipher what this unusual celestial body might be. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, has collected a wealth of data about this fascinating object. The most striking feature is its unusual light spectrum, unlike anything we've seen before. The spectrum is a rainbow of light from the celestial body, split into its constituent wavelengths. Each element in the universe absorbs and emits light at specific wavelengths, creating a unique fingerprint in the spectrum. Now this is where things get interesting. The spectrum of our mysterious object shows lines at wavelengths corresponding to elements like hydrogen and helium, which is no surprise, as these are the most common elements in the universe. But there's more. There are also lines at wavelengths that do not correspond to any known element. This is what's causing all the excitement. You see, when we observe a celestial body, we can usually identify the source of its light emissions. Black holes, for instance, emit X-rays as they devour nearby matter. Neutron stars, the dense remnants of supernovae, emit light across a range of wavelengths, from radio waves to gamma rays. Exotic forms of matter like quark-gluon plasma also have their own distinctive light signatures. But this object, it doesn't fit any of these categories. Its light emissions suggest the presence of elements and conditions that we can't explain with our current understanding of physics. This is like finding a puzzle piece that doesn't fit any known puzzle. Now let's remember Occam's razor, the principle that the simplest explanation is usually the correct one. Could there be a mundane explanation? Perhaps we're dealing with a new type of star or an unusual form of matter. Or perhaps there's some sort of error or bias in the data. These possibilities cannot be ruled out, and scientists are exploring them as we speak. But, and this is a big but, none of these explanations fits perfectly. There's something about this object that defies our current understanding of the universe, and that leaves room for more exotic possibilities. So, we return to the question, could this be a sign of extraterrestrial life? Could these unusual light emissions be the result of some form of alien technology? This is not a question to be taken lightly, and it's not one that can be answered with the data we currently have. But it's a question that's on everyone's mind, and it's a question that's driving a new wave of research in astrophysics. The data points to something entirely new and unknown. Could this be our first evidence of extraterrestrial life? The possibility that we might have stumbled upon evidence of alien life is both exciting and daunting. With the discovery of this unusual celestial body, we find ourselves at the precipice of a new era in our quest for answers. We've long speculated about the existence of extraterrestrial life, but the evidence has always remained elusive. Until now, in our search for intelligent life beyond Earth, we often turn to the Drake equation for guidance. This mathematical formula, conceived by Frank Drake in 1961, offers an estimate of the number of technologically advanced civilizations in our galaxy. The Drake equation considers factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, the fraction of planets where life actually evolves, and the length of time such civilizations release detectable signals into space. When we plug in our best guesses for these variables, the equation suggests there could be thousands, even millions of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. Yet, despite decades of searching, we've never detected any clear signs of their existence. This paradox, known as the Fermi paradox, has puzzled scientists for years. If there are so many potential civilizations out there, why haven't we heard from any of them? Is it because life is incredibly rare or short-lived? Or is it because advanced civilizations choose not to communicate? The discovery of this unusual celestial body could provide a new piece to this cosmic puzzle. Could this be a sign of an alien civilization? Is this the evidence we've been searching for? We must approach this with caution, of course. There's a long road of verification and validation ahead of us. We need to ensure that the data we have is accurate, that our interpretations are sound, and that we've ruled out all natural explanations. While it's too early to say for sure, this unusual celestial body could be our first hint of extraterrestrial life. The universe might not be as lonely as we thought. As we continue to analyze the data, the truth about this unusual celestial body will eventually reveal itself. We've journeyed through the realms of cosmic discovery, delved into the intriguing data, and pondered on the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial existence. This celestial body, this testament to the universe's infinite mysteries, serves as a reminder of our ceaseless quest for understanding. As we venture further into the cosmos, who knows what other mysteries await us? The universe is full of surprises, and the JWST is